Yo, they are too powerful when it comes on to music. You, what's good, everybody? I'm back again with another Mission Souls reaction. But I have a confession. So I've done a reaction to um Rosanna by Tato, and trust me, you guys roasted me in the comment section. Hey, I'm gonna click off this video because the entire video is being blurred out, right? Guys, look, my apologies. But the reason why I'm doing all this is because of the copyrights, right? So I have to show respect to the owner of the video, right? So that is the reason why the video is being blurred out so much and you guys can't see. But in this video, you guys will see it a little bit better than the normal, than the original one, than the one that I've done before called Rosanna by Tato. Okay, so I do hope you guys watch this entire video because it will not be blurred out that much. Okay, so we're gonna react to Mission Souls. It's called Journey. Don't Stop Believin'. Right? I know that song. I've reacted to the official song before, but I want to hear what these kids and these family members can do, can make it sound like, right? Differently from the original owner of the song. So let's see what they are doing in this one. Peace. Guys, one thing I know about this family, they are giving so much nostalgia of the official song, right? Bro, I love that song so much by Journey, right? One of the greatest songs ever heard, bro. Just a small town girl. Wow, okay, see, that's what I'm talking about. The nostalgia that this family gave and put into this music so you could understand the official sound of the song. Always astonishing. Living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Oh my god, yo, what a family great, bro. What a family so great. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. I ain't gonna lie, the mom sounds ravishing. She's too good to, bro. She's too good. The entire family here, it's bizarre to listen to. It took the midnight train going anywhere. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Everyone in this family deserves to win a Grammy. A lot of people should know about this family. I guess they should even join the American Got Talent TV show, that competition, or The Voice, bro. They should be heard. People should know them. They are making some major moves, man. Hey, that girl with that guitar, bro, she's one of my icons in this family because I look up to this woman, bro. This female, I look up to her so much because of the capabilities that she has when she plays the guitar. A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheese. Damn, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. The power of her angelic voice. It's quite refreshing. Okay, no, this is my king in this group, bro. No disrespect to the father, but this kid is my king in this group. This boy is so goddamn talented, bro. God damn.
Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Journey. Please look into these family talent and push them forward because they should be heard by millions and millions of people. Trust me.
Living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Yo, they are too powerful when it comes on to music. Right? The father with that guitar, the son with those drums, the mother with that powerful voice, the girl with a rock and roll guitar, the next girl with a guitar but also can sing. There are some people who are very much incredible. And I won't skip and move on without mentioning the girl with the piano. Bro.
Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill. Ain't anything to roll the dice. Just one more time. Some will win, some will lose.
You go, mom. Hell, this is making me feel so good. I'm feeling great.
Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on.
Damn, I think I'm having a great time listening to them. A great time. They are great, bro. The greatness, it's inevitable for them, bro. They have a lot more people to discover and to gain more fans because at this point I'm not a fan. And literally I'm from Jamaica, so just imagine how big they can get spreading that music across the world where people could identify that there are such talented people in family wise existed.
Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard.
Yo, this is so harmonious. The melody, refinement, the talent, magnificence. Yo, too cool, bro.
Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Yo, I'm so happy I've encountered them. You know why? Because the music that they are singing, it's literally realistic. It's true. It's a magnificence. You girls are really good. And the dad also is also a phenomenon. I love the way how he supports his family and everything the family does, the dad is there. Right? So a family that supports a family is something exotic to look at. Very good. Absolutely good. Damn, bro. Yo, they are so good.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Yeah. Street lights, people. Don't stop believing.
Powerful. Just powerful. Just A refreshing sound of freshness. Woo! Very well. Very well, guys. Very well. Very well. This is quite a great music. So good, bro.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to it.
I'm loving this so much. Very, 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 very good. Very good, family. I mean, like the Mission Souls, bro. They are too terrific.
Streetlights, people.
When I became a fan of them, I never regretted a moment of listening to them because the more you listen, the closer the music gets to you, and you can't stop pulling in, pulling in, pulling in. So this is the reason why you guys can get so much reaction back to back because of the power of their music. Nice one, guys. Nice one. So, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, remember to leave a like. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.